gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? For you, 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 for you. Won't you let the light shine through? For you. The night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?
All right, as you can see, a bit of progress happening. So here we are. Got there. So that should be the waste coming from ensuite and toilet. The septic tank hole. So that's it. And it comes along, and this will be our slash going to the water tanks. So, and we've also got our water lines there as well coming up in. And then we've got gully trap. Got the critical piece of equipment out right there, old bog. I have some water tanks, so I'll take you to those. Yeah, 2 water tanks just here, and then we'll have the pump just on this side of it, and if we ever do build anything else, it'll come this side again, so that way it ties in with the driveway, which we're going to bring up the levels of soon. Ready to roll. Okay, here we are, day 3. I'll show you what's been done and go from there. You can see we have our septic tank in here. So what I did yesterday was fill it up with water, and that stops it from, when it gets backfilled or if we get some rain, we won't get it popping. So it's just about there at the moment. Just to show. So it's 4,500 litres. Perfect for all activities. As you would have seen on the time lapses, it goes from the septic tank and then overflow at that level there, and once it gets to that point it'll come down here towards a distribution box, and then from the distribution box it goes out to 2 sets of leach fields which have been designed and engineered for this lot. And the drain layers are coming back on Monday. Finish off. I've run some conduits out to where we'll have the water tanks. So if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.